Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to be browsing and you ran into my voice, please like and subscribe and welcome. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a quick macaroni salad with tuna. So here's my ingredients. Macaroni, boil your macaroni guys according to the package. I'm using some elbow and it's 1 pound of macaroni, all right? And a can of tuna, some green onions, shredded carrots, celery, grated onion, this is yellow onion, and sugar, and some apple cider vinegar with some heavy cream, my mayonnaise, some garlic salt, and pepper. So let's jump right into it with my macaroni already boiled. Guys, it's good if you can boil it a little bit, maybe like 5 minutes longer than original on the package, because you want this to be very tasty and to soak up all the seasoning. So this is my white onion. This is 5 stalk of white onion. We call it scallion in Jamaica. And to this, I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of grated white onion, 1 big stalk of celery, going with 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon of dark brown sugar. So I'm gonna go in with 2 shredded carrots, with a can of tuna. Tuna in water is better. I just found one in olive oil. So I'm going in with that. I'm gonna go in with about 2 cups of Veganese. I'm gonna go in with about 2 cups of heavy cream. If you have half and half at home, you can use it also. Now I'm gonna go in with some garlic salt. You can just use 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. A teaspoon of black pepper. Just salt and pepper to taste. I'm just going with a pinch of Himalayan salt. So guys, here's your delicious macaroni tuna salad. So delicious, guys. Yum, yum. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.